Before we talk about anything else, videos with zero tags and suggested tags to fix them. Most people rewrite these from scratch every upload, and it still sounds like crap. Here's a free tool from caseybuildsit.com. Run it, copy it, and move on. What if you could just hit one button and get 90% of the way there? Now, I would take that every time. This is the bulk tag gap finder tool. Simple and easy to use, but first you need to get a YouTube data API key. Those are free. If you need any help, just click the button right here. It will walk you through all the steps. Next, you need to put in your YouTube channel or anybody's YouTube channel. Then we're going to look at max videos. So if you want to search 50 videos, put in 50. If it's 100, put in 100. Next, you're going to hit fetch, and it's going to go get all the videos that you have on the channel based off of your max videos. From there, we're going to use a Gemini AI model to create new tags and descriptions if they're missing. If you need help with setting up your Gemini API key, just go ahead and look online. Next, we're going to hit rewrite missing. Now it's going to rewrite new tags and a description based off of your transcription of the video. Once that is done, you can come right over here and hit export CSV, and you will get all the videos and the new tags and descriptions that were missing. I built this tool in Cursor, but you could use any AI tool that you would like. The results may vary depending on the tool, but you can paste in the prompt that you can get off of the website. But you paste the prompt in right here, and then you're just going to hit enter. Then the AI will go out and generate a tool that is very similar to the one that you saw. But you do not have to generate your own tool if you do not want to, because you can download this tool for free off of caseybuildsit.com. So go to the website and you have two different options. You can click on the files, and then you can get a breakdown of the tool, and you can download the prompt and the tool right there. Or you can go to free tools and look at a list of every free tool that I have on the site and download them from there. Now, if you guys have any questions about this tool or recommendations for a new tool, please send them my way. And until next time, go ahead, download Cursor or a different AI tool and start building and figuring out how you can make your life easier.